What's up guys, Technobo here for Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial for installing and using Admin GUI. Admin GUI is a powerful, easy-to-use user interface for admin commands. Quickly run tons of commands with a simple chest-like interface. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section. Select the Spigot tab and search for Admin GUI. Install the version that's compatible with your server and restart. Alternatively, you could download it from the Spigot page and upload it to your Server.pro panel. While this plugin doesn't require other plugins to work, to interact with currency, you'll need an economy plugin, and to use Vanish, you'll need Super Vanish or Premium Vanish. You can see what plugins you already have installed by going to the Install tab under Plugins. Unfortunately, there are tons of permissions that you need to give to users or groups in order for them to successfully use everything in this plugin. This, of course, makes it easy to create a moderator, helper, and other roles. Of course, having op means you can skip this step entirely as you have access to everything the plugin has to offer. Assuming you have permissions, there's only really one command you need to remember, as this is a GUI after all. Simply using /admin brings up the interface where you can interact with yourself, the server, and other players. Clicking the head on the left brings up the player command screen. There's tons of commands that we can run from the GUI here. The top row interacts directly with you and will probably be the most useful. We can click to heal ourselves, feed ourselves, cycle through game modes, and toggle invincibility with the God toggle. Once-off commands like feed and heal will close the admin menu once run, but buttons that cycle through like game mode and the God mode toggle keep the menu open for you to quickly choose what you want. The second row allows us to give ourselves a potion effect. Once clicked, we can set a time in minutes indicated by the clock's stack, as well as set a level for the potion effect, indicated by the beacon. After choosing the duration and strength, clicking a potion will instantly apply it to us. The spawner menu allows us to instantly spawn a mob at your feet. Ordered alphabetically, it should be easy to find what you're looking for. The kill button respawns you. The burn button sets you on fire, and the lightning button will strike the ground below you, damaging you if you're not in God mode or the right game mode. The bottom row has the last few commands. The firework button sets a firework off at your feet with a random pattern and color. The money section allows you to add, remove, or set a player's balance if you have an economy plugin installed. There are set amounts available, so if you need anything more specific, you'll have to resort to running commands manually. If you have a Vanish plugin installed, the Vanish button will toggle your visibility according to that specific plugin. Going back a screen, the center button is the world section. You have a day-night toggle button and a weather toggle button. Simply clicking on one will immediately change either the time or the weather, and it will cycle through the options. The player head on the far right of the main menu allows you to pick a player. There are tons of commands neatly sorted into this. Hovering over the head gives you some information on them, including health, food level, balance, game mode, and IP address. Clicking the diamond sword opens up the player commands menu we saw earlier, where we can run some commands on them. There are more options available here than in your own command menu we saw earlier, including teleport to player, teleport player to you, and fake op, which displays a fake OP message on their screen. There's also a book that opens the player's inventory, allowing you to add and remove items in their inventory. Clicking on an item duplicates the existing item or stack, and right-clicking on it will remove it from the player's inventory. Clicking an item in your inventory will copy it to theirs. You aren't able to rearrange their inventory, but you can clear it using the button at the bottom. The menu doesn't refresh, so make sure to click the refresh button periodically. Going back a few pages, we have the kick and ban menus. Once clicked, they allow you to choose a reason, and the ban menu allows you to set the amount of time that they'll be banned for. Clicking on the time blocks at the top will cycle through your available options. Maintenance mode kicks all non-op players from joining the server and stops them from joining back with an error saying that the server is in maintenance mode. Because everything is self-contained and accessible from one easy menu, this plugin doesn't have a config, meaning it's literally plug and play. That's it for now. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.